Hare Krishna. Welcome to the Krsnatarian way of cooking. So today I'm going to share with you another Janmashtami Bhog recipe. This is a very simple sweet dessert recipe which is called as pineapple halwa. Now this pineapple halwa was something I came to know after coming to the West. In the temple here in Iskcon temples, they would make pineapple and blueberry halwas, and this particular halwa became one of my favorites. The sweetness of the halwa along with this tangy sweet flavor of the pineapple in it is a perfect combination. The recipe is quite simple and takes very less ingredients. That is why it can be used as one of the quickest recipe to be prepared during Janmashtami or any festive seasons. So let's proceed towards the recipe. So first, in a skillet or a pan, you take around 3 tablespoons of ghee, or you can take around quarter cup of ghee. Ghee is also known as clarified butter. Now I'm going to keep the heat on low. Now even if you are cooking this halwa on a flame stove, then you have to still keep the heat on extremely low. Now I added here the seeds of the cardamom pod, so it was like around 3 cardamom I took, and then I put it in this ghee. Just gently let it saute. This will actually help the cardamom to become fragrant. And now I added around half cup of semolina, suji or rava in it. Now the time is perfect, like for around 7 to 8 minutes on extremely low heat or flame. You have to continuously roast this suji or semolina. Towards the end of the 7 to 8 minutes, you will notice the color of the semolina to change a little bit. At that time, you can just increase the heat a little bit to medium and then roast it just for 30 seconds. And then on top of it, now add around 3 cups of hot water. Make sure you continuously stir it so there are no lumps. Now I'm going to add the same amount of sugar as that of the semolina in it, which is half cup. Add around quarter cup of milk. Now increase the heat to medium and then continuously stir it. In continuously stirring it, what happens is that this liquid gets completely absorbed by the semolina. The aim is to cook the semolina until it starts folding and it doesn't stick at the bottom. During that process, I also added around half cup of pineapple chunks. You don't need to add too many ingredients in it. Not too much dry fruit or anything. You do not need anything. Pineapple does its work. So just keep it very simple. Now continuously keep on mixing, stirring it. Now you'll see that the semolina is folding. Don't cook it too much because you don't want the halwa to get dry. This is going to be the perfect texture once it gets completely cooled down. So now I'm going to turn off the stove. This is our pineapple halwa which is ready. Now I'm going to place this in a serving bowl. Check out how fluffy this pineapple halwa has turned out. This is exactly what we want. The halwa or the semolina should be completely cooked nicely roasted. There should be a little bit grainy texture, but at the same time it should be fluffy like this. It seems to be a very simple recipe, and it is a very simple recipe, but the roasting of the semolina is the key to it, which will give you a good texture halwa. So I'll place a tulsi leaf and offer this at the lotus feet of Sri Krishna. I hope you liked watching this video. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Welcome to my channel Krsnatarian. If this is your first time watching this video or visiting the channel, then don't forget to subscribe to it. If you have been watching my videos regularly but haven't yet subscribed, then please subscribe to it. If there are any constructive feedbacks or any queries related to the recipe, food, or the diet of Krishna consciousness or Krsnatarian, then please write to me in the comment section and I will be happy to respond to you. One more thing I wanted to inform is that I recently published a cookbook which is around 348 recipes with 400 images. So that particular book is available in paperback and hardcover format. And also multiple digital copies of this book is available. If you're interested in buying it, then I have shared the link in the description. And also there will be book review available, for which I have also shared a link in the description.